going to Puerto Rico.
Oh my god, you got a G7X? No, the Sony?
Sony.
Oh my god, I was gonna get that.
Last few days of being 29, how you feel?
Local time is 7:18.
Marianne's all the way in the back, so we'll find her after. Our first meal. Here we go. We got a ribeye mofongo, seafood paella, and empanadillas. It's like, oh, okay, it's so good. It doesn't even taste like mofongo. It's good to me. It's just too cooked. It's too well done. I like a medium rare. I'm trying this empanadillas, and it's got a mango chimichurri. I think it tastes better with the skirt steak, but they were out, so we got it with beef. Yeah. Our first night out in San Juan. We're going to La Placita. We're all tired, but we're gonna see where the night takes us. We are in Viejo San Juan. It's 11:48. We're about 4 hours behind schedule, so. We got a croissant with ham cheese butter.
Si quieres te la saco, dos tragos y sabes que me pongo bellaco. No somos nada, pero estamos envueltos.
Our second night out in San Juan. Went to La Factoria, which is really cool. There's like 5 rooms. It's like 5 bars in one, because they have like different music. There's like a salsa room, a house room, and I don't remember what else. It's like 10:30. I know it's early. We should start going out at this time, but we had a time last night. So we're on the struggle bus right now, and then we also have to wake up at 6 o'clock. So now we're going home. Good morning, day 3 in Puerto Rico. We're at El Yunque now, and we're doing Angelito Trail. It's only 0.4 miles, so we should get there soon. Oh my goodness! We're in the ferry. We're in the vieques. Good morning, vieques. We got our brekkie. We got a, what is this? A lobster omelet. We got these fat ass pancakes, some potatoes. I got my coconut coffee, and I got a screwdriver. OJ. Look at the view. We're gonna meet him later. Thank you, Daddy. Staying in my Gucci. What? Beach number 2. Now we're at Caracas Beach. Stunning. Yeah.
No te hagas pa' darte tabla, dale mami, habla, pero nadie habló, no te hagas, no, 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 no.
Last night in Puerto Rico. Oh, we're still in Vieques. And now we're going to the bioluminescent bay tour.
Yo no sé tú, pero yo quisiera amanecer en